Google's Nano Banana just killed Photoshop and… No, this is not clickbait. I'm gonna show you guys what it does in this video. So make sure to watch till the end. And by the way, if you're new here, I show you guys AI tools that can help you make money, create art, and automate your business. So consider subscribing for more free tools like these. Now back to the video. You know how we all hate redoing our background when taking a photo? Well, Adobe is trying to fix that with their latest version of Photoshop 2024. It allows you to remove your background automatically. But do you know what's better than automatic? Instant and accurate removal of your background. That's where Google's new Nano Banana comes in. This is an open-source project based on Google's image manipulation tool called Nano VDB. And you guessed it, this is not any ordinary tool. This is going to blow your mind. First, let me show you how Adobe's new feature works. Here, we have a picture of us hanging out together. Now, if I go to Select Subject and Mask, you can see that Photoshop has selected my face and body fairly well, but there are some areas where it needs some touch-ups. If I zoom into this area, you can see it has selected the arm pretty well, but it's having a hard time selecting the fingers. Same thing with my face. The beard and the hair looks great, but around the eyes and nose, it looks blurry. And I would say it took about 30 seconds to a minute to do all of this. Now let's see how Nano Banana does. Just one click. Bam! Let's hit run. Look at how quickly it did its job. It literally took less than 5 seconds. And if you look closely, it actually did a better job than Adobe's new feature. My skin tone looks more accurate. The facial features like the beard and hair look so natural. It even did a better job separating my fingers. And if you look at the side profile, it didn't blur my shoulders like Photoshop did. So basically, it's faster and more accurate than Adobe's own tool. The best thing about this is that it's open source, so anyone can use it and modify it. This code is available on GitHub right now. And if you're not technical, you don't have to worry because someone already built a user-friendly website for us. You just have to visit removebg.io. Simply drag and drop your photo. In this case, I'll use the same photo and hit Upload Image. Then wait for a few seconds while it processes your photo. There are 2 ways you can download the final image. You can either download the original size, which will include the watermark, or you can download a smaller version without the watermark. As you can see, this watermark isn't very intrusive. It's just a simple text at the bottom. So if you want to upgrade to a Pro plan, you can do that as well. When you hover over the price, it says it costs $10 per month. But if you look on their pricing page, it actually costs $120 per month for commercial use. However, they do offer a free trial, so you can try it out before paying for it. And if you don't like it, you can always cancel your subscription. So, this is a paid tool, but there are still ways you can use this for free. You can simply join their Discord server. Once you join, you can go to this channel called Free Removals, and when you find a photo you like, simply click on the link and it will take you to the download page. From there, you can download the full resolution image without the watermark. The only downside is that you don't get to choose the photo you want. You just have to hope that someone uploads a photo you like. But overall, this is still a great deal considering you get access to high-quality images for free. Another way to use this tool for free is by using Google Colab. You can simply copy and paste this link to Colab and open it up. All you have to do from here is click on Runtime and change the type from CPU to GPU. After that, click on this button to run the code. Then scroll down and click on this button. Finally, upload your image and it will start processing. When it's done, you can click on this button to download the file. As you can see, it worked perfectly. This opens up a lot of possibilities. For example, you can combine this with Midjourney to generate images with custom backgrounds. Or you can also use this to remove your own background in your photos, so you can post them on places like Instagram or Pinterest. Or maybe you have a t-shirt design store, and you're looking for images with transparent backgrounds, well, you can use this tool to easily find images with transparent backgrounds. I know what you're thinking. What if I don't have a GPU? Will it still work? And the answer is yes. But it won't be as fast as running it on a GPU. It will still work on CPU, but it may take longer. And one last thing, this tool is still in beta, so the results may vary depending on the quality of your image. Some images will turn out great, and some images may not. If you have an image that doesn't turn out well, you can simply re-upload it and try again. It's not a big deal. All right, now let me show you how to use this tool with Google Colab. Like I mentioned earlier, you can simply copy and paste this link to open it up in Colab. Don't worry about all this code. All you have to do is scroll down and click on this button to run the code. Then scroll down and click on this button. Next, you'll need to upload your image. Simply click on Choose File and select your image. Then click on Start Upload. Then, you'll need to wait a little bit while the image gets uploaded. Once it's done, you can click on this button to download the file. And if you scroll down, you can see the image has been removed successfully. And here's the code you need to run to remove the background. If you're using Google Colab, simply copy this code and paste it inside the empty cell. Then press Shift+Enter to run the code. Then you'll need to scroll down and click on this button. Next, you'll need to upload your image. Simply click on Choose File and select your image. Then click on Start Upload. Then you'll need to wait a little bit while the image gets uploaded. Once it's done, you can click on this button to download the file. And if you scroll down, you can see the image has been removed successfully. And finally, I'll show you how to remove the background without Google Colab or joining the Discord server. We already know that we can download the image with the watermark for free. So all we have to do now is remove the watermark. To remove the watermark, simply go to Chrome.com and upload your image. Then, wait for a few seconds and click on Skip Cropping. Then, click on Next. Then, scroll down and click on Auto Remove Background. Then, click on Remove Background. Wait for a few seconds and click on Download Image. As you can see, we've successfully removed the watermark. Now, there is one thing you need to keep in mind. Nano Banana is still in beta, so it may not work properly all the time. Sometimes it may take a long time to process your image, or sometimes it may not remove the background properly. But overall, it's still a great tool to have. Who knows? Maybe in the future, this will be the standard way to remove backgrounds. All right, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more free tools like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.